This is Stephanie teaching me about the Shabbat timer, which is very important Shomer Shabbos moment. Okay.
Okay, first of all, you have the option of on or timer. Okay. I don't know why you would buy a timer to just leave it on the whole Shabbos. So you always want
it. It's the purpose.
Right. So, point is,
timer.
You want it on timer.
Okay.
Okay. Then, the next thing you want to do is, if you look over here,
okay,
you see it has a 24-hour clock, pretty much.
Yes.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check what time it is, and it is 6:10. So what I'm going to do is set the time on here so that it's pointing to 6:10.
Okay.
Don't get confused, this is 24-hour.
But let's say, like, for instance, tomorrow,
yep,
I'm going to set it for the next day at, like, 12, because lunch will be at 1.
That's no problem, because it's a 24-hour timer.
Okay.
So you can set any time in the next 24 hours, but you have to tell it what time it is now. It doesn't know what time it is.
Okay.
So you have to tell it. So I'm telling it it's 6:10. Whatever time you set it and you plug it in tomorrow is the time that you're going to want to set the arrow to.
Okay.
The next thing you want to do is you want to look over here, what times do you want it on? Okay. So if you wanted it on at, let's say, 10 o'clock, push these down. If you want it on, I recommend putting it on at 10 in the morning.
Wait, why would that, 10, so 10 would be here.
So 10 in the morning would be there, exactly.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, you probably want to put it down from 10 until, I don't know, 12:30 or something.
Oh, and that's how long it will stay on.
That's how long it stays on.
That's incredible.
Make sure.
What a great thing.
Yeah. Now, there are also instructions on the back of here which you should ignore because I've gotten it wrong because the instructions are wrong.
Okay.
So all you want to do is you want to push this down.
Okay.
You plug it in, and when you plug it in, it's going to start its timing. So at 7 o'clock, it's going to be pointing to here.
Okay.
It's going to be pointing all the way throughout the day, and at 10 tomorrow morning, it will point here and turn on.
Amazing.
If you want to do a practice run, you can always set the timer here, and then put it down here and just check that it's hot.
In like half an hour, in an hour.
Exactly.
Great,
exactly.
Great.
Just make sure it works. So that's it.
Cool.
That's it for Shabbat timers.
Sababa, mamash sababa.